Hey Dripcess friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and to my new subscribers, welcome. I'm Dripcess and I upload fashion and lifestyle content.
On my mind, soon as I get back, she can slip. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get mad. Too far, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around.
As you can see by the title, I'm going to be telling y'all or like showing y'all too what I want for Christmas, my Christmas wish list. This is definitely most likely probably like an inspiration for anyone that doesn't know what to get their child that's around my age. But this wish list is definitely material, girl. Okay, but at the end of the day, I really hope y'all enjoy this. And if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you didn't already. Let's just get straight into this video.
You should know that about me.
Oh, I also want to put a disclaimer too. It's just really a Christmas list or simply like a Christmas wish list. It's not really to say I'm getting everything on this. It's just like really an inspiration, or like half of these things that I'm saying in this video I already got, but you know, it's really for inspiration for y'all, you know what I'm saying? I got you. So just continue watching the video and I definitely hope. Okay, so the first thing, so my Christmas wish list, and I've been really looking for these shoes and I found them, but they don't have my size, are these Levain shoes. I really want these and they're so different. I never saw anybody with these pair of Levains, and I'm gonna put them right here. Some people probably don't even know what they are. Yeah. I love sneakers with like big laces on them, so it's just these designer sneakers and I freaking love them. They're so cute. I definitely see me styling them in many different ways. I'm just trying to get my hands on them. They just don't have my size, that's all. The price is out the matter. It's just they don't have my size. And yeah, so these Levain sneakers are definitely on my Christmas wish list. I did not tell my mom about them, so when she sees this video, you know, she gonna be like, she ain't tell me about these. But it's more like a me thing, getting for myself for Christmas. You know how like you get gifts for yourself because you just been working so hard? Yes, that's more like a me thing. But if you want to get it for me, you know, go ahead. The next thing are Telfar bags. Telfar. Y'all already know I was gonna say that. Y'all already know I was gonna say Telfeezy, even though y'all say I got every color. Hey, get out my business. Okay, I never got my hands on a black puffer Telfar bag. They were doing like a whole like restock. They were like putting them back on the website or whatever that one day. I didn't get my hands on them, but I think my mom did get her hands on them, so I'm thinking my mom got me that for Christmas. But if she didn't, at the end of the day, you know, you're just gonna have to look on StockX. Even though I know StockX, they be raising their prices up, but might have to do it. Because I freaking love that bag. And then they also have the black and red platinum leather bag. I already have a red Telfar bag, medium size. I love me my big bags. I love big bags, y'all. I don't like small bags, but I feel like I might as well just get a small bag since I already got the medium size bag of both of them colors. So it doesn't make sense for me to get like, you know, a medium size. But who knows, I might get a medium size. A red or black platinum leather Telfar bag because they're so freaking cute. Like, I already knew they were gonna make it. I already knew it was coming. That's something I'm probably gonna get for myself if I don't find the Levain shoe. I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm really brushing my hair while I'm talking to y'all. That is so like, I'm so sorry. The next thing is Skims. I love Skims. I already got me some Skims for Christmas. I didn't catch the like pink bubble sets, you know, that she was having. I didn't catch that, so I'm kind of sad about that. But just Skims. Another thing that's on my Christmas wish list are Rick Owens. And I'm not talking about the basic Rick Owens. I'm talking about the thick laces, because I told y'all I like thick laces. You know, the thick Rick Owens laces, the thick ones. Y'all know what I'm talking about? If you don't know, I'm gonna have a picture on the screen. But I really do I really do want them, and obviously they don't have my size, so I was really mad because they didn't have my size. And I was just gonna get them on off StockX or whatever, but then I think I would have been mad if I got them off StockX and next you know they have my size. So I was just like, let me just wait, let me be patient. And yeah, so the next thing that is on my Christmas wish list is beanies. For some reason I freaking love beanies. I don't know how this beanie thing came over me. It doesn't even have to be like the expensive beanies. I just freaking love beanies. Then I have like expensive beanies, the beanies that everybody going crazy for, but I saw that they're making like fur beanies, like the fur ones, like the words are gonna be fur and everything like that. The next thing that's on my Christmas wish list is lip gloss. I just feel like that's really an essential, but like, you know, like the packs of lip gloss that you can get on Amazon instead of going to the hair store, which it probably costs less if you go to the hair store, but I mean like different color lip glosses. I freaking love that. Lip gloss, makeup, perfumes. Your girl love her some perfumes. I freaking love perfumes. So I'm like a self-care girl, so like just that, slippers, robe, everything like that. I freaking love that. Yeah, so the next thing that I'm asking for, let me look at my phone, y'all, because I don't. Oh, low dunks. I got a pair of low dunks on right now. I freaking love low dunks. I don't know, they're just comfortable and they're just like them shoes. I love low dunks, and I like to get like different low dunks. I'm not talking about the overhyped low dunks, the black and white ones, the panda ones, those ones. But yeah, so just like low dunks. And yeah, I also have on my list Uggs. I love Uggs. Just like Ugg boots, maybe just Ugg slippers, it doesn't matter, just Uggs. Heels. For heels, your girl love her some heels. I love me some heels. Heel boots, I freaking love heel boots. Fur coats, love fur coats. Giving very much rich auntie, or you know, it's just giving very much celebrity, like, you know who you're talking to type vibes. Dumb. Marc Jacob bag. I want a Marc Jacob bag. The denim one, the denim Marc Jacob bag. Yeah, I want that one. What else do I have on my list? It's not really like, I don't even got anything for it. Half of the things that I said to y'all is not on here. It's not on here. I'm just saying things to give y'all inspiration for real. Next thing on my Christmas wish list are glasses. These are not prescription glasses. Any glasses that y'all see me wear are not prescription glasses at all. Yeah, but I want these specific glasses. I'm gonna have a picture of them on the screen. I want these glasses so bad, so bad. When I show my sisters, they were like, they look like goggles or they look like bug eyes, but I freaking love them because I could see myself styling them down. Like, ooh, I eat with them glasses. Like, you can't tell me nothing when I have them glasses on. I usually don't like really big, super duper big glasses, even though I do have like big glasses, but I mean like that's like definitely out my comfort zone, but I definitely see me styling that real good. So yeah, I've been like looking online to see if they, you know, have them in stock, but they're out of stock right now. So yeah, so glasses. The next thing that I want is a camera for YouTube. I want the Canon ESO M50, that big camera. Yes, I want that big camera. I want that big camera because I do like, you know, I do vlog and everything like that, but then I also like doing fashion content too, so that'd be like my fashion content camera. The next thing that's on my Christmas wish list is the pink iPad. I've been seeing all the girlies open up, unboxing a little pink iPad, and I'm just like, that pink iPad is so cute. I already got a pink phone. Y'all like the pink? I phone is pink. Another thing, the AirPod Pros, not the AirPod Pro Max, not the big earphones. I just want the AirPod Pros, even though I think the AirPod Pro Max would look real cute to just have on your head or whatever. Like, I don't know, but I asked for the AirPod Pros. That's what I asked for. My mom knows I wanted the AirPod Pros because I was gonna buy me some, but then my mom told me not to buy me some, so I was like, I'm not gonna buy me any. So I might be getting that. I don't know. But that's what I have on my Christmas wish list.
So I'm the one that's out of place.
Hopefully this video helped y'all out. Hopefully this video inspired you on what to get. Before y'all even say, I don't got the money, that, you know, I'm not saying, I'm just saying this was just for inspiration. You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm saying. This is a material girl. Yeah, so please, you know, don't bite me in the comments. Well, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up. Also, comment down below some more video ideas. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not already. Have your post notifications on if you're not already. Follow my Instagram, my social media, so you can just get the updates. I'll see you in the next YouTube video. I also want to say before this video like end, even though I did the outro for it, the next Vlogmas video that y'all are gonna see, I have the same exact outfit on because I recorded this video before that video because I wanted to, you know, I wanted to get things done. So yes, so see y'all in the next vlog.